1. Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, true meaning of radiance. It's nighttime and I'm using my makeup mirror light to give the lighting. And I have my PJs on. Which one are these? I think this is Hello Kitty. Yeah, it's Hello Kitty. It says, is it Friday yet? And when you're seeing this video, it is Friday. So happy Friday, everyone. Today's video, guys, you guessed it, it's going to be a haul. It is another Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale haul. I swear, I need to be done and just let it go. And I'm getting so much stuff because they have so many summer things out for this one that they normally don't have out. I'm like, why do I need to go to the summer SAS? They have all the summer SAS stuff right now. And I'm stocking up, and I'm going to be stocked up for summer and winter of next year. So I'm kind of like, goodness. But I'm probably going to go to the SAS in June. So don't even listen to me, because I said I was only going to go to SAS a few times. And then look how many times I've already been this year. Okay. So don't listen to me. But I might go. I don't think I'm going back no more. But don't listen to me. I could be lying. So if you order online, go through eBay. So why? Because you get cash money. So go through eBay so you can get your cash back. The bag is big. The bag is big. The bag is big. Big, big. Okay. The bag is big. Stuff is even falling out of the bag. Okay. So I'm just going to get into it. This is going to be a little bit more laid back. I'm trying to bring my table over. This is my table that normally holds everything for me. This is a little bit laid back because, you know, it's 9 o'clock at night. I'm recording this. I actually just got home about 30 minutes ago. Little kid sleep, and I want to put these things away. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started before I get too silly. So the first thing is the Sweet Magnolia and Clementine. Y'all saw I got the body wash the last go round. So this go round, I went ahead and just got the spray because, I don't know, I didn't want the lotion, but the spray just put it together for me. And I do like the smell. Like, it smells so good. This is going to be perfect in summer. Like, when I tell you, I got so many of the summer scents that I wanted. Like, what's the point? Like, of the summer SAS, but it's never a point, and I'm always in there. So, hey, I got the lemon pomegranate cream, the shower gel. Looks like that. I hope the lights aren't too bright for you guys. But it looks like this. Let me zoom in. There it is. Boom. Looks just like that. 75% off. So I'm trying to tell you guys the things as I go. One thing I got that I didn't even think I was going to get is the vanilla bean scent. The vanilla bean looks like this. It is so different from vanilla bean Noel. So different from vanilla bean Noel. So I went ahead and brought out my vanilla bean Noel spray. I mean, not spray, but body wash, because I wanted to know, like, what's the difference. But this one is just straight like vanilla bean. So it's fluffy vanilla, white orchid, toasted tonka, whipped cream. That's it. The Noel has a hint of a little bit more. It has snow-kissed musk. It has warm caramel. Has the sugar cookies. So it's a little bit different. And y'all, this is good for, you know, the winter time. But this right here is going to be really good in the spring and the summer. Oh my goodness. I'm not a big vanilla bean person or a vanilla scent person. But this vanilla bean is really good. And it was $3.95. So I got that one. I did get the matching spray. It was $3.95 as well. The vanilla bean spray. That smells really good. And the vanilla bean spray would go really good with this item that I got for $3.95. The Beach Nights Summer Marshmallow. I told y'all in the last video, you're like, girl, go get your adjustment. Yes, guys, I got my adjustment because it went on sale for $3.95. I know everybody was like 75% off now, but no, it's really $3.95 with the $3.95 stuff. But yeah, so I do have the Beach Nights. This is the body lotion, the cream. I already had the lotion. Now I got the cream too. And I got 2 of the shower gels and 1 spray because I'm not going to get through the spray. So this smells really good. But pairing these 2 together would smell really good too. The vanilla bean with the Beach Nights. That will smell awesome. I've been seeing y'all haul this like crazy. So I was like, what is the hype? Okay. And it was on sale for $3.95. So I smelled it and I was like, ooh, I see why you guys got it. This is the Sweet Escape Strawberry Kiss. Again, another one that's going to be really, really nice in the summertime. Y'all, oh my goodness. This is Fresh Picked Strawberries, Juicy Melon, Pink Wildflower, Sun-Kissed Oak, Dewy Musk. When I tell you, it smells so good. Oh my God. This is really nice. They didn't have the spray in it, so I wasn't able to get the spray. But I did I get the lotion? Hold on, guys. Let me look. Okay. Yeah, I did get the lotion. So I have the lotion. I don't have the spray, but I have the lotion. And the lotion looks just like this. And the packaging is super, super cute. Again, this is going to be perfect in the summertime. So I cannot wait to put some use into this as we get into the summer. I feel like I have my summer sense. Like, oh, the SAS this summer. Like, how are they going to top this SAS? This SAS has been so great since years past. Like, last year's, the years before that, I hate the winter ones. This year's SAS for the winter is just bomb. So I'm like, how are they going to top this in the summer? Like, what am I going to buy? Just candles? I think that's all I'm going to really need, because of the body care they have taken care of for me right now for $3.95. The next $3.95 item I got is the Live Fresh Seaside Breeze. It looks just like that. It smells really good. This one, I'm trying to see. It says coconut water, juicy nectarine, beach blossoms, fresh air, sun-kissed musk. Smells really good. For $3.95, you can't pass it up. And of course, you know I use a 10 off 40. Okay. So I use a 10 off 40 coupon with this purchase. But I think I have the spray for that too. Yeah, here it is. I have the spray for it as well. And the spray bottle is just super, super cute. So I cannot wait to use this. Again, this is another one that's perfect for the spring and the summer. What am I going to do with Bath and Body Works? Like, what is there to really want at the next SAS? Like, they're doing it all right now. Now, to go with the Sweet Escape line, because they didn't have any more of the spray, I did get the Wild Berry Strawberry Leaf Spray. Just to go with it. It's not the exact match, but I like the way this smells, and it was $3.95 too. So, I like the smell of this one. It is different from this one because this has different things in it, but I don't care. It's all gonna mix together and mesh, and it's gonna smell really strawberry and nice. So it is what it is. So I got that. The next item, Mad About You spray. I finally found it. I know one of my subscribers like, go to the one on La Frontera, and I was like, girl, I already went there and I saw it and I grabbed it, okay, because it was only $3.95, and I knew I really wanted the Mad About You spray. So now my Mad About You collection is back to being completed again. So I have my spray, my lotion, and now my my spray, now my lotion, and my body wash I already had. So now I have my whole line back, so the little collection's back together. The next item, 75% off, y'all. The Funfetti Winter Candy Apple. Yes, focusing. There it is. Looks just like that. Oh my goodness. 75% off. That is a great deal. It smells so good. And this Winter Candy Apple, since it's just a Funfetti body scrub, you can use it anytime. It's not designated to a certain time of year. It smells so good. It takes me back to being back in Cheektowaga when I was in high school. Oh my God. It smells so good. I love it. The next one, let me see here. More 75% off. I got the Focus Eucalyptus and Tea Pillow Mist. It's amazing, and it's normally $13.50, and I got a 75% off. Need I say more? Need I say more? That is an excellent steal for a pillow mist. They had one more. I was going to grab it, but you could tell it was used. So I was like, nah, I only got this one. Plus, I got another full one that I need to get through and a half of another one. So I figured this would be good and get me to like the next sale. Every time I keep pulling things out, I'm like, what is the next SAS gonna offer? This one was just so good. The next item I got for 75% off, the Peach Honey and Almond Shower Gel. Looks just like that. We've seen it 1,000 times because everyone's hauling it, but because everybody's hauling it, I said, let me go ahead and grab one up. That's what happens when you watch too many hauls. So I went ahead and grabbed me one up. I had it before, but I know I gave it away with the domestic violence stuff. So I just grabbed it again for myself. And the rest of the items here are from the CO Bigelow line. And I got 2 of the deodorizing body sprays. The first one is Elixir Green. This is more like of a fresh, clean scent. But it's manly and it smells so good. This normally goes for $12.50 and it was 75% off. Hello. Your man needs some sprays, honey. Get your man some sprays. Get your son some sprays. Get them some sprays because it smells so good. The next thing is the Elixir Blue. So I got the Elixir Blue as well. Woo, woo. It smells like a sexy man. That's exactly what it smells like. I really like the Elixir Blue. So, I mean, these, after you take away the discount, they're like $3. Who gonna say no to that? Axe costs $3. Why would you not get this? And then the last thing I got from the CO Bigelow, this is the Lemon Cream Body Wash. It's a creamy body wash. It's creamy, y'all. It's a creamy body wash. You would think it was a lotion because it's so creamy, but it's not. Like, you would think it's a lotion, but it's not. It's a body wash. And it smells exactly like lemons, like just like lemons. And it says it's lemon oil and extract and safflower oil is in it too. And it says this ultra moisturizing skin brightening formula is soap free and leaves skin feeling soft and supple. Oh, it's a skin brightening. I didn't even know it's meant to brighten. Y'all, why do I want to go back and get 2 more? Because it's supposed to help brighten up the skin so you have that nice glow. Y'all know I'm about to glow. Oh, goodness. But that lemon scent is kind of strong. So just having one, it will be all right. And this will be nice in the spring going into summer. That's it, guys. It's like late. So I want to get off here, enjoy the rest of my evening, edit this up so you guys can see it on Friday. But oh my goodness, like, do you feel like the next SAS is not going to be as good as this one now? Because this one gave me every scent, every season, everything. What will the next one have to offer? I'm like, but you know I'm going to be at the day 1 of the next one. Because I'm hoping with the next one they bring back, I'm looking over here at my Marshmallow Magic. I hope they bring back more Marshmallow Magic. I'm hoping they bring back the Amber and Argan. That would be really nice because I want more Amber and Argan. I would stock up. Discounted soaps, I think, would be another good thing. I think that's about it. I don't think there is anything I really would want. Midnight Pomegranate, that'd be a good one if that came back. I don't know, like, this sale has embodied all the seasons. Comments below what Bath & Body Works can do to top this SAS, because in my opinion this has been the best SAS as far as body care. Now, the last SAS was great when it came to candles. Like, to me, the deals on candles was bomb. They missed the mark on candles this time. All they gave us was $12.25. But I think when you're coming off doing $8.95 candles, it's hard to really be impressed with $12.25 when you just got $8.95 candles. So I see where they would miss the mark on that one. The not shower gels, the soaps, they're always $2.95 or something. They do that all the time. So $3, yeah, whatever. So that deal will always be that deal, halfway decent, if that. But I really think they hit the mark and hit it out the park with body care. They hit it out the park. If you got to the right stores, they hit it out the park. If you order online, they hit it out the park. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm trying to think anything else I can say. No. Will I go back? I don't want to, but I might go back and look at the bins one more time. Probably at the last day of the sale just to see. But I don't know. I really don't need anything. I got all the summer scents and the spring scents. and with some winter scents and some fall scents. I don't know. They hit everything. Man, I'm shocked. Like, I'm shooketh. I'm shooketh. They hit it out the park. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like Bath & Body Works, make sure you subscribe to the channel. What I'm going to be doing is bringing you use it up videos that require my top 10s. So Bath & Body Works will completely be on this channel like at least once a week with top 10s, favorites, empties, you name it, at least once a week, and reviews. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.